Okay, today is June 9th, 2011, Thursday, 6:50 p.m. and we have soccer players on our right. We have rugby players starting over there. That's rugby. Rugby.
No, that's more soccer right here.
Where? Oh, I'm sorry. That's soccer. That's not rugby. Soccer. And some rugby practice. So rugby, Coastal Dragons rugby. Soccer, Coastal Dragons rugby. And soccer. And then a couple of spectators. Rugby spectators. Hi rugby folks.
That had to be